Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello everyone, let me introducing you from Group 6. We will present the result of our discussion about the concept map and title. Have you got the skill you need for the 21 country for plans? Previously introduced the first member of your group. Myself, Anggi Istanti, and my friend is
Julia Saputri, Syarif Febrianti,
and Anissa Bahri.
Will the first material is imagination. Imagination is divided into the first or price. Creative imagination. This is the ability to create new ideas, concepts, or objects that have never existed before. For example, the imagination used by artists or investors to create innovation work of art. Intellectual imagination refers to the ability to think creatively and innovatively in the realm of ideas, theories, and abstract concepts. Emotional imagination is the ability to create, evoke, or simulate emotions in the mind without having to experience them in real life at the time. Fantasy is a term for imagination. Is the creativity or fantasy or ability to visually know words, ideas, or stories outside the real world. The school material we will read Julia Saputri.
Okay, next is the 2 point. Problem solving. Problem solving is the process of finding solution to difficult or complex issue. It's a skill that combines logic, creativity, critical thinking, and decision making. Here is structured approach to problem solving that can be useful. The first, define the problem. Clearly identify what the problem is. Sometimes problems appear more complicated than they are because they are not fully understood. Take the time to identify the root cause. Number 2, analyze the problem. Gather all necessary information and data about the problem. Look for patterns in underlying factors and connections that may provide insight. Number 3, brainstorm solution. Come up with as many potential solutions as possible. At this stage, don't worry about facility, just get other ideas flowing. Creativity can often yield surprising, effective solution. Number 4, evaluate and prioritize. Assess each potential solution decide on factors like feasibility, effectiveness, time required, and resources available. Rank them or use a pros and cons approach.
The 3 material will be read by Anissa Bahri.
The third material is communication skill. Communication skill are the ability to convey information, ideas, and feelings clearly and effectively. Can be divided into 4
by Selvi Febrianti.
Next is the fourth point. Critics analysis. Critics analysis are mother of affirming and evaluating informative argument or comfort in detailed and objective manner when cast into several subdisciplines and with a deserved focus. Here are some key phrases. One, literacy analysis focus on dissecting literature including terms, Charles symbols and letters text to interpret the deeper meaning within a text. Two, rhetorical analysis examines how author and speaker use language and persuasive elements like others, but has longer and style to understand the effort on the audience. Three, cultural analysis. Analysis cultural artifacts, parties, and media to understand the societal impact, understand individuals, and reflection of social values and norms. For historical analysis, critically examine historical event text and sources, consider context, piece, and interpret it to from and more under view of the past.
The five material will be read by Anissa Bahri.
The fourth material is decisions making. Decisions making, a process of choosing between alternatives to achieve a goal or solve a problem. Also has several branches. Each branch focus on different contexts, approaches, and factors that influence the decisions making process. One, strategy decisions making involves long-term, high-level decisions often related to organizational goals, policies, or resources. Two, operational decisions making focus on the today decisions to keep an organization or process running efficiently. Three, tactical decisions making sits between strategies and operational decisions, dealing with short to medium term actions that support larger strategies such as improving productivity. For individual decisions making involves personal choice where the decision maker is typically the only one affected.
Opinion reading according to the 21st century. Emotional imagination is the ability to craft, evoke, or simulate emotions in the mind without having to experience them in real life at the time. Emotional imagination allows a person the imagining emotions related to hypothetical past or future scenarios.
I think problem solving is a complex and challenging process, but also very rewarding. By developing problem solving skills, We can increase our ability to overcome challenges, achieve goals, and grow as individuals.
In my opinion, communication skills are a very important ability because we really need communication skill in any situation, such as providing information. If our communication skills are good, it will automatically be very easy for other people to understand, so let it not cause misunderstandings.
I think openly about crisis analysis. Crisis analysis is a method used in various fields of social and humanities research to understand how conflict, potential or crisis impact individuals or groups. The method of course on the focus, the trigger, the crisis, the response attack, and how the change occurs.